Welcome everyone. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through the process of debugging a CSS issue. And this is a real-life case where we have this website and we have these boxes, these cards related to online courses. The problem here is that we have certain courses, certain cards with a title that spans two lines, as this one, and other cards that have a single line title, like this one and this one. Now the problem is that the height of the card is different on the ones with the single line titles than with the two line cards. So we need some way to fix this. The first thing, of course, I will do is inspect these elements. And the problem here is with this H3 tag. So in this case, we have a single line, and as you can see, it's about 77 pixels, the height of this section. Whereas if I inspect this element, the height is about the double. It's 114. So in order to fix this, I need to give to these sections, to these H3 elements, a minimum height, so that regardless of whether there's a single line or two lines of a title, we have the same height, which is 114. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click the H3. I'm going to see the class that is targeting these elements, and I'm going to say minimum height 114 pixels. So I get the height from the double line. I get here on the left the 140 pixels, and then I put this value as a minimum height here. So the height is fixed, but yet I have one slight problem, which is that the title over here does not get centered on the vertical axis. I need the title to be somewhere, let me hover over it. As you can see, it's positioned on the top of the content box, but I want it to be centered. And for this, we have a really quick fix, which is to change the display of this element from block, which is the default, to grid, and then use the place items property with the center. And now I have the same height for all cards, regardless of whether we have a single or a double line. And I also have the title centered on all of these elements. So this is the power of CSS Grid. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something that will help you. Thank you.